Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast sticks in an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients, which typically include about 6 slices of bread, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and a pinch of cinnamon. Next, slice your bread into sticks, aiming for about 1 inch wide and 3 to 4 inches long. Then, whisk together the eggs, milk, and cinnamon in a shallow dish, ensuring it is well combined for dipping. Now, it's time to coat your breadsticks. Take each stick and fully immerse it into the egg mixture, making sure every side is completely covered. This step is crucial for achieving that classic French toast texture and flavor. Gently lift each stick, allowing any extra liquid to drip back into the dish. This prevents sogginess and promotes even cooking in the air fryer. Next, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Lightly spray the air fryer basket with cooking spray to prevent sticking. Carefully arrange your coated French toast sticks in a single layer, ensuring they do not overlap. Cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes, flipping them gently halfway through the cooking time to ensure even browning and crispiness on all sides. Once your French toast sticks are golden brown and perfectly crispy, carefully remove them from the air fryer basket. They should be warm and inviting. Serve them immediately with your preferred toppings, such as maple syrup, powdered sugar, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. These air-fried French toast sticks offer a quick, easy, and absolutely delicious way to enjoy a classic breakfast treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.